Alright guys, FX Machine smashing it. What is going on guys? You're welcome back to my channel. This channel is designed for a kind of a diary where I usually post my trades and my thoughts regarding my ideas of the trades I took, and I'm happy to bring you once again this particular opportunity I identified this week, 4th of December to the 8th of December 2023, and I basically identified an opportunity around this area. First of all, this is GBPCHF 4 hours time frame, and the projection was a buying opportunity, and what I did was that I identified a reaction here on this support zone, such that I have already identified that price has always come back to retest this zone multiple times. I was looking for a liquidity sweep. What I mean by liquidity sweep is that market makers usually take out liquidity to the left. By the intention of market makers to take out liquidities which are on the left is to stop traders, stop them out and drag liquidity from here and take it upwards. So that was the idea I used to plan this trade. So once the price has come down to this area, I waited for the price to play out here. So what it did was that it didn't just tap it, but it took time to form a kind of a return, a reversal, and you can see consecutive bullish candlestick to the upside, and that's where I entered. And I had to be very patient a little bit for price to pull back in here, and you can see that there's a bullish engulfing candle engulfing this bearish candlestick here, and it's even higher than it. Then they pull back, and you can see a push to the upside, which is in profit. So basically this is just the model. I'm using ICT model to identify trading opportunities. For example, let's assume this is a level and price. First of all, what I do is that I just identify a kind of a range. Identify a range like this. So after identifying a range, for me to identify that it's a range, price must have been playing up and down, bouncing up and down. All of a sudden, there's a particular fake out that the price is going to do. The market makers do. They take out the liquidities from here. Stop by what I mean by taking out liquidities is that they stop out traders that are taking buys from here, and they push the price down and bring it back up. This impulse to the upside is called a displacement, and once they say displacement, I'll be looking forward to a kind of a break of structure somewhere around here. Then I'll find a fair value gap here around this area where price can now retest on that fair value gap, and here will be my TP. So it's the same idea or the same model I was using to plan out this trade, and you can see that the price has come down. It's already a retest here, and most likely price is going to push to the upside. This trend line here was a kind of a protector to kind of protect. My plan was that once price breaks out of this trend line, then most likely price is going to go to the upside, and you can see that it's playing out according to how I have planned it. Now I will not be going further. This is the only trade I have for you for this particular video. Trading is all about taking opportunities based on plan that have been set aside. You have to be disciplined. You have to follow your plan very well. Actually, I recently added some ICT model concepts into my trading ideas. I usually trade break and retest strategy. Also added lately, I started adding some things I learned from ICT model, like fair value gaps, like purges, which are fake outs, then also other blocks and stuff like that. So I'm actually excited to see that it has actually played out very well, especially when it comes to this particular account that I was trying to grow. I just passed the first evaluation of my 6,000 funded next profit challenge, and I'm already in the second phase. I want to see how it goes. Now the same concept I just explained just now is the same concept I am employing. I've been able to apply the ideas I got from the combination between the ICT models and the break and retest I have been using, because all my plan is just to ensure that I'm able to test what I've learned. There's a lot of people can trade. It's not really about knowing how to trade, but can you make profit? Can you understand a particular model and apply that model into a real life trading and see how profitable you have been? Now, I grew this account. I passed the first evaluation. This is the result. The $6,000 account, which has a profit of 53.73. That's my profit, and also you can see the overall performance, my profitability. My win rate is 85.2. Good. That's a very good win rate, 85.29. My lot size, total lot size of 9.75. And also, if you look at the analysis, you can see how I've been able to peak. There was a drop here on November 21st. Because I didn't trade all these days, then a little bit of pullback, then also I started pushing and I hit profit target. So that's how it has been, and you can see the graph in a pie chart. You can see that I traded card, JPY and AUD card mostly, and my P&L, my weekly P&L, you can see that on Monday on this particular week I actually made 334.24. Then on Tuesday I was in loss of $90. Then I came back again, $198. On Thursday I made $22. On Friday I made 95, and just like that. So it's all about how consistent you can be. It's how you're able to pursue a consistent base. It's about behavior, how your trading behavior, how are you able to track consistency. Losses is allowed, but how best are you able to manage yourself or through to profit target? So that's it. I'm in the second phase. I'm in the drawdown for now. I want to see how it goes. If I blow the account, no problems at all, but I believe I should be able to come out successful and be able to pass the second challenge. I'm looking forward to an exciting outcome of this particular account. Now, FX Mesh here, smashing it. If you like what I'm about, please like, subscribe and share, and catch you in the next one. Peace out.